Hello everyone, this is Progressive speaking. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is about how to trade a gap in the market, be it in daily chart, 4 hours chart, or 1 hour chart. But basically, bigger time frames is always very good to use for this particular strategy. So you can see here, these are super trades running in profit. So today there was a very big gap in the market due to maybe occurrences that happened during the weekend. So Euro USD opened with a very large gap. So whenever you see this kind of gap in the market, you have to allow the price or the chart to trace back, because definitely it will. Once it gets to this either tail or either the closing point of the last candlestick, you make your sell. But basically, so long as there is a connection between the last either 2, 3, however candlestick before the closure of the market, you make your sell or buy depending on where it gapped. I will show you a lot of them, and that is what I traded this morning, and I can assure you that I am in a deep profit. Look at this. Perfect. This is this one. So immediately it retraced back and connected between this candlestick tail. It started pulling down again very massively. So let me show you USD Swiss franc. The same thing happened here. There was gap. So I picked up the trade very early in the morning. I also posted it in our channel, a signal channel, so you can see it. Let's go to USD JPY. You see the same thing happening here. Let's go to Australia dollar USD. You see the same gap. So once the gap was created, whether it closed, the candle closed in red or not, red or blue or not, what matters is you should allow it to retrace to, in order to make a very sniper entry, to retrace to a place where the last candlestick, second candlestick, either begun or closed. See, immediately it connected to the tail or retraced to the tail of the second candlestick of the previous week. It pulled down, and here you go. So let us also check USD card. Do you see this here? You see the gap? Immediately the tail, you can see the tail from here to here, retraced to this point, the second and last candlestick of the week. It pulled up. I can tell you this is a very massive profit. So that is how to trade gap in the market. And again, there is another format of trading gap. Now that is a reversal gap. So this is a kind of midweek or mid-month kind of gap, So for now, you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification button, and make sure that you stay tuned, because I'll be posting a lot of valuable content But try this and you will see the reason to trade properly in the market.